Enam.
Sheena, nicht Gael.
Anam. Name. Anam.
Kerst. Enam.
Sheena, nicht Gael.
Anam.
Smith.
Many Christian names are similar in Gaelic and English, like Mary, Mary or Mary, Anna, Anne or Anna, Alan, Alan, and Ian, Ian or John. Here are some which might not be immediately obvious.
Sheena,
Jean,
Donald,
Donald,
Elaine,
Alan,
Christiana.
Christine,
Myra.
Margaret,
Jonathan,
Jonathan,
Ailey,
Helen,
Georgia,
Georgina,
Callum,
Colin,
Borag,
Morag or Marion,
Nurse,
Angus.
To ask the question, what's your name, you say, J and Tanam Aharav. J and Tanam Aharav. J and Tanam Aharav.
Alba,
J and Tanam Aharav.
Alistair.
Ik is Jack. Hallo, كاميرا هاشف.
هاك ما تحبليف.
Wel, جيرانيا ما هدف.
ما أدري كان ich. Gleva. Jane, deine Meherev.
Shonak Nikuni,
Shonak nicht kann ich.
Hallo, ik is Jack.
Tach Believe,
Fiske ma, ik is ster. Dag belief. Jane, deine Meherev.
Wacht neer.
Dag belief.
J and Tenham Aharav. What's your name? J and Tenham Aharav.
This is the causeway that links Uishtatua with Banyaverla, Benbecula. In those scenes, the phrase Hik Ishtech was used. Come in. Hik Ishtech. Hik Ishtech. Listen again.
Ik is Jack. Hallo, كاميرا هاشف.
Hak ma tachbelief. Fiske ma, ik is ster. Dag belief. Jane, deine Meherev.
Wacht neer.
Shonak nicht kann ich.
Hallo, ik is Jack.
Tach Believe,
Time to catch up with our drama Ekin Taich at home. Look out for how people are introduced.
Hello, Jindanya Mahilov.
Mrs. MacLeod?
Ah, Mrs. MacLeod. Hikisteach.
Seo Ellie?
Hello.
Agus seo Yoin.
Hello. It's Mr. Fleming.
Ian, hikisteach.
Hello, Mr. MacLeod. Hikisteach.
These hills behind me are in Uist Jess, South Uist. Did you notice how people were introduced? The word Shaw was used, followed by the name. Shaw.
Hello, Jindanya Mahilov.
Mrs. MacLeod?
Ah, Mrs. MacLeod. Hikisteach.
Seo Ellie?
Hello.
Agus seo Yoin.
Hello. It's Mr. Fleming.
Ian, hikisteach.
Hello, Mr. MacLeod. Hikisteach.
In this next situation, Alistair is introduced to other people at a party. Watch out for Shaw, followed by a name.
Hikisteach. Alistair. Seo Alistair Maristan. Alistair, seo Callum MacLeod agus Anna Clod. Seo Marit Scott. Alistair.
Agus if Misha Julie came in a hash of Alistair.
Wait, what that, believe?
Callum MacLeod agus Anna Clod. When you're speaking Gaelic, if you're a woman, you use Nick rather than Mac. Callum MacLeod. Callum MacLeod, but Anna Clod. Anna Clod.
Hikisteach. Alistair. Seo Alistair Maristan. Alistair, seo Callum MacLeod agus Anna Clod. Seo Marit Scott. Alistair.
Agus if Misha Julie came in a hash of Alistair.
Wait, what that, believe?
Hello,
Hello.
it's Misha Rhoda Nicoil.
Camarahashu.
Traditionally, people were known by the names of their fathers or their forefathers. Alistair MacGilvery is the son of Donald. Listen.
Is Misha Alistair, Mach Gael, Vich Vari Burachi.
Benbecula boasts what must be one of the finest schools in Scotland. Leanaclage is a community school where adults and children alike are able to use the school's facilities. With its swimming pool, music room, library, cafe and theatre, the school, which was built in the late 1980s, has become the centre of the island's social life. The facilities make the school the ideal location for the Feish, or festival. Feish Chirivurain is a week of music, drama and fun for any young people wishing to take part. The song is called Is Fluch an Eiche, Wet is the Night. The Feish began at Gaelic 4 years ago. Parents in the area feared that the move to bigger schools would mean less opportunities for their children to use Gaelic, and so the festival was created for children who are fluent in the language. There's a rule that all participants have to speak Gaelic, and while this was not a popular decision in the beginning, it is now accepted that the Feish has encouraged young people to use and improve their Gaelic. The choirs, musicians and young actors are having their final run-through before the big night, the concert, in which all the hard work of the previous week comes to fruition. This is the last opportunity to prepare for all the family and friends who'll come to see them tonight, and this young group are certainly having fun. And I think we might just have a star. This is Castell Vurug, Borv Castle, near Linacleach. To recap, if you want to introduce yourself, you say Is Misha, followed by your name. Is Misha Rhoda? I'm Rhoda, for example. If you want to introduce someone else, you say Shaw plus the name. Shaw, Shawris. You may want to introduce a member of your family to someone. Watch out for the phrases Yn Dynia Acum, my husband, and Yn Mac Acum, my son.
Seo anna ní cynnig.
Applef. Hallo, Kimmer Hashif.
Cleva tapaleib. Seo an dynia cym calum.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Agus seo amach gacum iau.
Hallo, Ian.
Hallo.
Dim hana ma hyddef. Nich casgam. Sionach nich casgam. Agus seo an dynia cym ddol. Agus seo Catriana yn un acum.
Nian, daughter or girl. In Nian Acum, my daughter. Listen out for the phrase my wife, a ven Acum, in this next scene.
Hallo, Catriona, Kimmer Hashif.
Acum a taplev, cyn eisiau ffyn.
Cleva. Catriona, seo ven acum Sionach.
Helo. Seo amach gacum nial, agus seo Kirsty yn un acum.
A ven agam. My wife. A ven agam. Yn nian agam. My daughter. Yn nian agam. Yn dunya agam. My husband. Yn dunya agam. Mach agam. My son. Mach agam.
Hallo, cymryd a hasif.
Clefa tapaleib, seo an dyna cym calam.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Agus seo mach gacym iau.
Hallo, Ian.
Hallo. Din hana ma hyddef. Nich casgam. Sionach nich casgam. Agus seo an dyna cym thob. Agus seo Catriana yn un acym.
Hallo, Catriana, cymryd a hasif.
Ac yma taplyf, cyn eisiau ffyn.
Clefa. A Catriana, seo fen ac sionac.
Helo. Seo na mach ag ymnial, agus seo Kirsty yn un acym.
Time now to catch up with Charlotte Viclage, the MacLeod family in Egginteich. Watch out for the phrase used for thank you.
Ik is Sterk.
Seo mach gacym, agus seo yn un acym.
Hallo, is Mr. Fleming.
Is mis sé éí nich glóid agus seo uhain mach glóid.
Tapele. Ik is Sterk.
Ian, ik is Sterk.
Instead of tap alive for thank you, tapelet was used. Tapelet is less formal. Listen again.
Ik is Sterk.
Seo mach gacym, agus seo yn un acym.
Hallo, is Mr. Fleming.
Is mis sé éí nich glóid agus seo uhain mach glóid.
Tapele. Ik is Sterk.
Ian, ik is Sterk.
Coffee?
Tapelet.
Just maar.
Hi, Evie.
Nani.
Tapelet.
That's all for this week. In our next programme, we'll be talking about where we live and how to give someone's address. Till then, cheery and rasta. Bye for now.
In this programme, we introduced you to Ismisha Marston Campbell. Ismisha Marston Campbell. Enyam. Enyam. J and Henyam a hurif. J and Henyam a hurif. Hig is Jech. Hig is Jech. A ven agam. A ven agam. An dunya agam. An dunya agam. An nian agam. An nian agam. Mach agam. Mach agam.
Kucherov Gu Programme 3. Welcome to Programme 3 of Speaking Our Language. In this programme we'll be looking at how to say where you live and give your address in Gaelic. Today I'm in Edinburgh for a bit of sightseeing. Later on we'll be taking a look at the annual International Festival. Kerstmaha. Right then. If you want to ask someone where they live, you say Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch. Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Hello. Hello. Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Dunedin.
Hello.
Hallo,
Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Dunedin.
Dunedin.
Everyone seems to come from Dunedin, Edinburgh. Dunedin.
Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch. Paddington. Hello. Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch. Glasgow.
Gamleishka, Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Dunedin.
Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch. Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch. Where do you live? Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
That last time the interviewer said Gaf Molishka. Excuse me, Gaf Molishka. And we'll be hearing that again a little later. Look out too for the name Glasgow. Glasgow. Glasgow.
Gamleishka, Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Glasgow. Hello. Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch. Glasgow. Hello. Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch. Grangemouth.
Gamleishka, Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Dunedin.
Glasgow, Glasgow, and Dunedin, Edinburgh. Here are some other Gaelic names. Pesht,
Persht.
Dunjay.
Dunjay.
Srilai.
Srilai.
Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch. Eli.
Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Persht.
Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Dunjay.
Gaf Molishka. Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Rodminster Glasgow.
Papalay.
Rat Windsor, Windsor Road. Listen again.
Gaf Molishka. Kaatje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Rodminster Glasgow.
Papalay.
Rath, road, Rath, and Sraj, street, are both common words.
Sraj a Vanker. Rath na Pathje. Rath na Schlieknich. Sraj a Franse. Rath a Vanish.
Rod Granton.
Montague.
Gamleishgal, catch me Furach.
Dunedin,
Catch of the nation.
Stride Parkside.
Apply.
Ja,
Gamleishgal, catch me Furach.
Wasco,
Catch of Wasco.
Brad Victoria.
Apply.
Tapla?
Gaff Molishgal. Gaff Molishgal. Excuse me. Gaff Molishgal.
And the interviewer asked, Catch an yn Gwasgu. Where in Glasgow? Catch an yn Gwasgu. Listen again.
Catch of the nation.
Stride Parkside.
Apply. Catch of Wasco.
Brad Victoria.
Edinburgh's International Festival, Fèis International Gonagin. It's the high point in the city's cultural calendar. Every year, 750,000 people visit the city for this event. And the result is a kaleidoscope of colour and creativity. It took 2 years from 1945 until 1947 to organise the very first festival, and indeed it helped to lift the gloom and doom that existed in Europe after the Second